Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, as I promised, I'm gonna do the video for our discussion regarding the self exercise 2.1 over here. Okay, so we are going to look at our number 2 straight away. Okay, so I'm gonna take the picture here first. Okay, so the questions that we are going to discuss is going to be only the number 2 CDE. Okay, sorry, 2E or EGI. Sorry, EGI first. Okay, so if you look over here, what we are going to have, okay, determine the limit. Okay, for each of the following functions. Okay, so what we have over here for number 2E. Okay, we are going to look at our number 2E. So it's given to us that the limit here is going to be x to 2. Okay, we have x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to copy here. The limit is going to be x to 2. We have x squared minus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so if you look over here, we are going to use what? We are going to use our factorization because both of it, we are going to have x squared there, right? Okay, so what happened over here, x squared minus 3x plus 2, if you're using your calculator straight away lah. Okay, mod, 3 time modes, right? Okay, so you are going to have over here x equals to 2, x equals to 1. So you're going to have over here x minus 2 and also x minus 1, right? Over, okay, x squared minus 4, so we can use our calculator to get our value of x. You are going to have 2 value for x over here. If you're using your factorization, okay, this one we are going to have in our perfect square. So you're going to have x plus 2 and also the other one is going to be x minus 2. So if you look over here, we can simplify. So what left over here is going to be x minus 1 over x plus 2. So remember that we are going to have over here for our substitution. So if you have over here the value of x already is going to be, the limit there is going to be 2. So we are going to have over here 2 minus 1 and over 2 plus 2. So what we are going to have over here is going to be 2 minus 1 is going to be 1 over 2 plus 2 you're going to get 4. Oops, sorry, no hashtag. Okay, that's going to be the answer for number 2E. Okay, next one, if you look over here, oh sorry, I'm going to put this one to that side. Okay, next one, if you look over here, I got number 2G. Okay, straight away G here. The limit is given over here is going to be x to 4. So we have x minus 4 with square root of x minus 2. Okay, so what can we have over here is we are going to this one we cannot have our factorization because you're going to have over here square root of x minus 2. So this one I'm going to have my conjugate over here. Okay, so what happened over here? Okay, x minus 4 over square root of x minus 2. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, so you are going to look at your denominator. So you are going to get the same over here, which is the square root of x. We are going to have over here times with plus 2. You are going to get this one. Okay, so you are going to copy back over here the limit x to 4. This one x minus 4 square root of x minus 2. Okay, that one we are going to copy first. And we are going to times with the same one, which is, okay, this one you are going to have square root of x plus 2 over square root of x plus 2. Okay, so if you look over there, if I divide it, you are going to get 1, right? It's going to be the same. So what happened over here? Why did we are going to times with the same denominator over here? Okay, if you look over here, we can have what? This one and this one. You can have square root of x and square root of x. You're going to get, you are going to have over here, you are going to get x square root of x with power of 2, right? So that one you're going to get x actually. Okay, so what you are going to have over here for our denominator, we are going to have Okay, this one you are going to get square root of x times square root of x. You're going to get square root of x. Okay, I do over here, square. And then square root of x times with 2. You're going to get 2 square root of x. And then negative 2 times with square root of x minus with 2 square root of x. And negative 2 plus negative 2 times 2. You're going to get negative 4. So we have over here, this one we can simplify. Okay, so you are going to have only square root of this one we can simplify also. So what you are going to get over here is going to be x minus 4 actually. Okay, you are going to get x minus 4. Okay, if you look on our denominator just now, what we have just now is this one, x minus 4, and also the square root of x plus 2. So you are going to copy back over here the x minus 4 and times with the square root of x plus 2. Okay, so if you can see over here, we can simply simplify also. So what left over here, you are going to get, this one we are going to copy limit x to 4. Okay, so you are going to have over here this substitution. We are going to get square root of 4 plus 2. So we are going to get 2 plus 2. Straight away you are going to get 4. This is for our number 2 G. Okay, next one. If you look over here, I got number 2 I. Okay, it's given to us that the limit over here to negative 2. So if you look there, if I'm going to if I substitute straight away at our numerator already, we are going to get 0, isn't it? Negative 2 plus 2, you are going to get 0. So means that what happened over here, we are going to get the same like what we done at our number 2G just now. So this one, you are going to get, okay, just copy back over here, x plus 2 over square root of 5x plus 14, everything here, minus 2, right? Okay, so what happened over here, I'm going to times with the same with our denominator over here, but you are going to have the difference over here. This one is minus 2, just now same. We are going to get this one is square root of 5x plus 14. Okay, we are going to plus 2, and this one are going to be the same. Okay, plus 2. Okay, we are going to times. Okay, so if you look over here, what happened, it's going to be the same like what we got over just now with our 2G. For the denominator over here, if we are going to expand, okay, you are going to expand that one. What we are going to have is, okay, let me expand for you, the square root of 5x plus 14, okay, times with, minus 2, times with the square root of 5x plus 14 plus 2, this one. Okay, so what for the denominator, we are going to expand the denominator over here. So if you look over here, the total of this one, okay, this is for one term over here. Okay, we are going to have what? You are going to get this one as 5 square root, and also we are going to get square, right? So you're going to get over here 5x plus 14, the square root, and you are going to get square actually. Okay, when we times, and this one, when I times over here, I'm going to get 2 plus 2, and then I just copy back 5x plus 14, and then we are going to do this one minus 2 with the square root of 5x plus 14. You're going to get minus 2 with 5x plus 14. Okay, then negative 2 times 2, you're going to get negative 4. So if you look over here, this one we can simplify, and what happened over here also we can simplify with square root and square. So what we are going to have over here, just copy back over here, I'm going to get the limit x2 to negative 2. Okay, just copy back everything that we got just now, x plus 2, I'm going to times with square root of 5x plus 14 plus 2. Okay, and then over what we have over here just now is 5x plus 14. Okay, and then we are going to minus with this one actually we can simplify 14 with negative 4, you are going to get straight away 5x plus 10, isn't it? That one we can simplify straight away. Okay, so what happened over here? We can do our what? If you look, I want to find for my simplify, right? So if you look over there, the denominator we have x plus 2. This one we have 5x plus 10. So this one, the denominator over here, I can do the factorization again. Okay, this one by using HCF, isn't it? What is it? 5x plus 10. I can use my HCF by 5 over here. You're going to get 5 times 1 is going to be x. 5 times 2, you're going to get 10. So what happened over here? Just copy back again. X plus 2 at our numerator. Square root of 5x plus 14 over here plus 2. Okay, over. Okay, the denominator now I'm going to get 5 with x plus 2. So if you look over here, what happened? We can simplify already. Which one you can simplify? This one, x plus 2 with x plus 2. So what left over here? You are going to have the square root of 5x plus 14 plus 2 over 5. So what you are going to do next is I'm going to substitute with negative 2 in our x over here. So I'm going to get 5 negative 2 plus 14, okay, now square root over here plus 2 over 5. So what you are going to have over here, 5 times negative 2 is going to be negative 10 plus 14. I'm going to get square root of 4, isn't it? Plus 2 over 5. So we can have over here 2 plus 2 is going to be 4 over 5. So that's it for our 2i. Okay, so I hope it can be helpful for you for number 2. Okay, next we are going to look at number 3, still in our self exercise 2.1. Okay, if you look over here, I asked you to do number 3DEF, right? Okay, so we are going to look at our number 3 first, 3D. Okay, the limit here is given is x to 0. Obviously, if you look in denominator there, if I substitute straight away, cannot lah. Why? Because 0 plus 9 there is going to be 9. So square root of 9, you're going to get 3. So 3 minus 3, you're going to get 0. So we cannot straight away do the substitution straight away. Okay, so what happened over here? Okay, if you look, our denominator we have minus there, 3 minus with square root of x plus 9. So we can do times with our conjugate over here. So what happened? You are gonna copy back, okay, the equations over here. 5x over 3 minus with square root of x plus 9. So I'm going to times with, okay, this one we are going to do the bracket over here. 3 plus with square root of x plus 9 over the same one that we have at our numerator just now is going to be the same lah. Okay, so if you look over here, we didn't change our questions actually. So if you look over there, is you are going to times by 1 actually. Okay, so what happened over here, okay, like what we did previously, you are going to do the what we call expand at our denominator. For our numerator, I'm just copy back over here the limit x to 0, okay, sorry, x to 0 over here. So I just copy back 5x with our 3 plus with square root of x plus 9 over here. Alright, okay, over. So this one, if you can do on your own, 3 times 3, you're going to get 9 straight away, right? So 3 times with square root of x plus 9, you're going to get positive. Then if you are going to have the second one, you can simplify negative square root of x plus 9. If you are times by 3, you're going to get negative. So we can simplify at the middle there. Okay, so what happened is square root of x plus 9 times with the square root of x plus 9. You're going to get what? Square root of x plus 9 square. So that one also we can simplify. You are going to have what? You are going to get minus with x plus 9. Am I right? Oh, you want me to expand for you? Okay, no problem. Okay, 3 minus with square root of x plus 9. Yeah, I know. Some of you ask me to explain more, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, so if you look over here, what I tell you just now, 3 times 3, that's why I got 9 just now, right? Okay, then I'm gonna get 3 times with square root of x plus 9. This one I'm gonna get positive, right? So you're gonna get plus with 3 square root of x plus 9. Okay, what did I tell you? This one I can simplify. Minus with 3 and then square root of x plus 9. And that's why I said to you that the middle one I can simplify. And then what happened over here? Negative is positive. I'm going to get negative, okay, square root of x plus 9, and I'm going to do square. This one I can simplify. That's why I got this one also. I can simply simplify. So what I'm going to get, this one is 9 minus with x plus 9. That's what we have at our denominator. Wait, yeah, got somebody not. Okay, so what happened next is we are going to simplify this one. I can simplify. Which one? 9 with minus 9 here lah. Actually, you can simplify just now, right? Okay, sorry. Because the one just now I want to show to you. Okay, so what happened over here? You are going to get negative x at the denominator. Okay, so what happened next is I'm going to simplify with our, because we have our negative x just now, right? So this one I can simplify with my x over here. Can. So what happened over here? This one, don't forget, you got negative, right? So I'm just copy back negative 5. Okay, so now I'm going to straight away substitute x with 0. Okay, so what happened over here? I'm going to times with 3 plus with, okay, square root of x plus 9 over here. You are going to get 0 plus 9. This one. Okay, our denominator already we have negative 1 lah. That's why I brought negative just now to our denominator, to our numerator. So what you are going to have next is square root of 9 is going to be 3. So 3 plus 3, you're going to get 6. So negative 5 times with 6, you're going to get negative 30. That's going to be for our number 3D. Okay, next for 3E. 3E. Okay, I'm just copy the questions over here first. Sorry, this is D, this is E. The limit is going to be x to 4, x minus 4 over 2 minus with square root of 8 minus x, right? Okay, so if you look over here for our E, what happened next here is you are going to get the same. If I substitute 4 in our what? In our denominator just over here, I'm going to get what? 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. Square root of 4 is going to be 2. 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. So cannot direct substitute. So what happened over here? Same like what we did just now. I'm going to, yes, we are going to times over here. Okay, so what happened? Okay, this one. Okay, so you are going to times with the same one, which is, sorry, 2 plus with square root of 8 minus x over 2 plus with square root of 8 minus x, right? So what happened next is we are going to expand. So if you expand, okay, you can do on your own, right? So I'm going to cut it short over here. So what I'm going to get this one, I just copy back this one. All my numerator, just x minus 4 times with 2 plus with square root of 8 minus x. Okay, just copy that one. Okay, copy back. Okay, for our denominator, this one you have to expand. Okay, when you are going to expand, actually 2 times 2, you're going to get 4, right? So we are going to get 4 over here. And then square root of 8 and the middle one I can simplify. So what I'm going to get over here, negative and positive, is going to be negative with 8 minus x. Right? This one. Okay, so actually you can have what? 4 minus 8, you are going to get negative 4. Negative 4 with positive x means that I'm going to rearrange over here. Sorry, this one you just copy back, x to 4. Okay, I'm going to have x minus 4 with this one is 2 plus with square root of 8 minus x. okay, over, okay, I can simplify just now. This one, I'm going to get negative 4 plus x, right? So I just rearrange, I'm going to get the same x minus 4 actually. So if you look over here, we can simplify also this one. Right? How come I get x minus 4 at our denominator? Over here, 4 minus 8 is going to be negative 4, right? Negative x times negative x, you're going to get positive x. So I just rearrange, I'm going to get x minus 4 lah, at our denominator just now. Okay, so what happened next is I'm going to substitute x with 4 into our x just now. Okay, so what we have over here, you're going to get 2 plus with square root of 8 minus with 4. Okay, so 8 minus with 4, you're going to get 4. So square root of 4, you're going to get 2. So 2 plus 2, the answer you are going to get is 4. This is for our E. Okay, now last one for our F. Okay, if you look over here, of course, the denominator there, if I substitute straight away, you're going to get 0. So what happened? So what happened over here? You are going to look at our numerator now. Why? Because I want to have my conjugate over here. Okay, so what happened? This one, you're going to get x to 7. Okay, so you are going to have this one, just copy back x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7. This is, okay, we are going to times with square root of x plus 2 over here plus 3 over square root of x plus 2 plus 3 actually. Can. So this one, we are going to do the numerator, not denominator. Okay, the denominator we are going to copy back only. Okay, the numerator we are going to expand this one. Okay, so what you are going to get this one is limit x to 7. So you're going to get over here square root of x plus 2 times with square root of x plus 2. I'm going to get square root of x plus 2 with square, right? So you are going to have x plus 2 actually. Right, so this one, the middle one we can simplify. So negative 3 times 3, I'm going to get negative 9 straight away. Can. Okay, over. So this one, just copy back x minus 7 with our square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Okay, just copy back that one. Okay, our denominator. Okay, what happened over here? Actually, you can simplify this one. X 2 minus 9, you're going to get x minus 7 actually, right, isn't it? So this one, straight away, you can simplify. Okay, right, you are going to get this one as x minus 7 actually, at our numerator. I just write, supposedly I write, right, x minus 7 over, okay, x minus 7, this one is square root of x plus 2 and plus 3. Okay, so what happened over here? This one actually you can simplify. Right, this one. Okay, so what happened next is we are going to substitute. So what we have over here is 1 over, it's not 0. Okay, substitute x with 7. So square root of x, square root of 7 plus 2 plus 3. So this one you're going to get square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'm going to get 1 over 6 as my answer. That's for our F. Okay, I hope it's going to be helpful for you for the explanation that I got for you this one. Okay, thank you very much.